Well, what is going on, guys? Welcome to a beautiful day here at the Upsaw Shop. Been a few days since we got us a video out. It's been a very interesting week at work, very busy week at work, and I ain't had time to come out here, and we're finally getting the opportunity to come out here to the shop. And we are going to dive into Mr. Corey's 028 Wood Boss. We ended up picking this up from him about, I don't know, maybe a week ago, I'd say. And as you can see, she's pretty dirty. I think she's been sitting for a while. The muffler's off of it. I think this is a spare oil pump and worm gear. Another worm gear piece. Top cover, air filter, missing one of the little like acorn style nuts. And some bolts for the muffler. I'm not 100% sure what's wrong with this. I think they said it may have something to do with spark, fuel possibly. So we are going to go ahead and dive into this thing, disassemble it, check a few things, see what we need to get. I know we did need AV mounts, and I've already gone ahead and I bought the AV mounts off of eBay. And I bought a couple more things for it on eBay. I can't remember exactly what they are. But let's go ahead and start taking this thing apart. Get ready to do all the work to it. Alright, so we are going to be doing some port work to this. Going to make this thing run a whole lot better than a stock 028 does. I'm not very familiar with the 028s. I do know you got your 028 Wood Boss, 028 Mag, 028 Super Mag possibly. And I'm not 100% sure what the difference is. So if any of y'all know, leave it down in the comments. I mean, all in all, this is a pretty good looking saw. She's cruddy, yes. They'll clean up nice. Spark plug's not terrible. Looks like it may have been running a little lean the last time it was ran. Check and see if she's got spark. It appears to have very good spark. Oh yeah, man. Pretty blue spark. I know these 028s, from what I've heard, they are and can be a PITA, pain in the ass. A lot of people don't like them. I think it's the kind of one that you either love it or you hate it. But we're going to build it and see how good we can get it to run. We can actually leave it hooked up. Dang dog gonna sit right here at the daggone door and bark. Probably a rabbit or something under the shop. Okay, that's good. It's a Stihl, so most likely T27. Let's see. Is it T27? It is, it is. Just a little dirt down there. Alright, let's see what we're working with. All right. That's nice. Okay, okay. Cylinder's very nice. Closed port. I figured it would have been open. D-shaped combustion chamber. That is amazing. Exhaust side's perfect. You can still see the factory cross hatching in this thing. A little teeny tiny exhaust port. So there is a lot that we can do with this. Check his piston out. Couple little marks on the piston there. Intake side looks pretty good. Exhaust looks pretty good. Dang. A little bit of carbon marks, but shoot, that ain't bad at all. I'm gonna need a piston, set of rings. Smaller saws you work on, the more kind of aggravating it is. Trying to grab everything. Yeah, I heard you fall in here. Where'd you go, little C-clip? There you are. That's interesting as to why they are on the exhaust side. The piston looks to be in good shape, mine, as it looks like it took, maybe got a little carbon in there and started scoring it, stuck the ring. Got little bitty little windows in the piston, so we can open those up. If we can get this ring out, that will be amazing. Probably clean it up. Oh yeah, look at that. I think we can save this. I would rather save the factory piston than buy aftermarket one. Or a new OEM one, because nothing's wrong with this one. I mean, it's going to be in the transfers, so we can hit that with a little bit of sandpaper. Knock that little lip off that's grabbing the ring. Buy a new set of rings. This thing will be good to go. It's a dome top piston. So the piston's not flat. You can see there. She's got a pretty good dome to her. Fairly good dome. Get this clutch off, y'all. We'll get the that way we can get our timing wheel on it. How's everybody's week going so far? Mine is going fairly good. Like I said, work was a bit hectic this week. We had a few things break down. Had to work on. And the rain was just horrible. I think it's still supposed to rain here for like the next 8 days, I believe. we did get the boat running. So I'm ready to take that out. Try it out. We got her welded and epoxied it up. Yeah, bearing seem fine. Crank's in good shape. We'll clean it up and we'll try this thing out anyway and see how she does. I think it's just a gasket. Find a gasket. Set of rings. Carb kit. I got an air filter on the way also. We'll go ahead, clean it up, bust the crank seals out of it. And we'll get this handle off and replace these AV mounts. So guys, I think that's where we're going to just go ahead and call this video. I'm sure y'all don't want to watch the whole cleaning of this thing because it's a bit time consuming. I'll show you what I use if I can find it. Oh, right here. So I'll end up spraying the saw down with super clean. Take a water hose or a pressure washer to it. Get everything cleaned up. I use super clean inside of my ultrasonic cleaner. We'll go ahead and drop all the small components in the ultrasonic cleaner and get them cleaned up. And once we got all that done, get our parts in, we'll hop back on this project. Hope you guys enjoy watching this little video. Y'all follow it along and let's see how she ends up. Y'all come back and watch our next videos too. Hopefully we got a few interesting things coming up. We did just buy us got us a new 660 clone from Farmertech. We ordered it from Smelter City Saws. Hands down, good group of guys. Great customer service, fast shipping. Y'all need something, go there and check them guys out. Give them a look at. Y'all have a wonderful day. Dubs, we out.